This is how I use AI in my day-to-day to help me become more productive. Hi, I'm Scott Gallatley, CEO of itGenius. This next gem I want to show you is called the hiring assistant. And if you're in a scale business and you're bringing on people regularly and you're often receiving 10, 20, even 100 applications for any role, you would know how long it takes just to process every application that comes in, shortlist your key candidates, and then organize interviews. This hiring assistant's meant to speed things up. So once again, it reads a little bit like a position description. You're acting as an experienced talent recruitment manager, and you're providing swift analysis of job applications. This gem is going to ask you to upload a position description for the role, then upload all of the applications, either one at a time or together in bulk, for all of the people that you want to assess. And then it's going to conduct an assessment for you. It's going to tell you what their key strengths are versus the position description, any areas for development, any added value that maybe you weren't quite aware of or immediately could see from the application, and some risk factors. And it's not just going to do this against the position description, because we've added to our knowledge base our strategic plan, which explains what our business is all about, and has our culture, our values, our org chart, and other areas that a candidate could, in theory, add value to. So it's a real complete analysis. Let's have a look at one I've done earlier. So I uploaded a position. In this case, it was the Chief of Services, so sort of an executive role. I said, thank you very much. Let's now start adding some applications. I've uploaded an application, and it's given me a full summary of their strengths, their areas for development, their added value, their risk factors based on the application, and so forth. And of course, I can now make a call around whether or not I would like to shortlist that person. The next iteration of this is to bring in some criteria for what a successful shortlisting might be. And once we've built that out, we'll add that into this particular gem, and it'll just tell us a go or no go for the shortlist. Really, really simple. But we'll build these things out in time. It's a great place to start, and this immediately saves stacks and stacks of effort of reading through applications and figuring out objectively if they're the right person.
Join our free Gemini AI Mastermind community, get answers, fix roadblocks, and stay ahead with Google Workspace plus AI. Links below. I'll see you inside.